Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss financial market. A financial market is a platform, physical or virtual, where buyers and sellers of financial instruments such as shares, bonds, currencies, and derivatives meet to raise funds, invest money and manage risks. This video is on financial market. If you like, please share and subscribe. In simple words, we can say financial markets connect those who have surplus money, who are savers, with those who need money, who are borrowers. So objectives of financial market is mobilization of savings, efficient allocation of capital, price discovery of financial assets, liquidity to investors, risk management through hedging or promoting through hedging. It promotes economic growth. Types of financial markets. First is money market, which deals with in short-term funds up to 1 year. So it manages short-term funds up to 1 year through treasury bills, commercial paper, call and notice money, money at call or money at notice, certificates of deposit, repo and reverse repo. Its features are high liquidity, low risk. It is regulated by RBI. Its participants are RBI, banks, financial institutions, corporates. Second is capital market, which deals in long-term funds, more than 1 year. So it includes primary market. New securities are issued here. Funds go directly to companies, government. The method of transferring money is through IPO, initial public offering, FPO, rights issue, private placement. Second is secondary market, which exists in existing securities are traded here. No new capital creation is done here. Examples are stock exchanges like NSE, BSE. Third is equity market, where trading of shares is done, ownership of securities. It is high risk market, high return also. Here dividend plus capital gains occur. Fourth is debt market. In debt market, trading of bonds and debentures are done. Fixed income is here. Low risk is lower than equity. Participants of this market are government, corporates, banks, and mutual funds. Fifth is derivative markets, where instruments derive value from underlying assets. The types of assets are futures. Types are futures, options, swaps. We have studied swaps in earlier video. Purpose of this market is hedging, speculation, and arbitrage. Sixth one is foreign exchange market, forex market, where trading of currencies is done. Its function is to facilitate international trade. It determines exchange rates. It manages foreign exchange risk. It is regulated by RBI. Seventh is commodity market, where trading of physical goods like gold, silver, crude oil, wheat are done. Here exchanges are done through MCX, NCDX. Then comes financial market. Here instruments are equity instruments, share, equity mutual funds, etc. Then comes debt instruments, which include debentures, government securities, hybrid instruments like convertible debentures, balanced mutual funds. The participants in financial markets are individual investors, institutional investors, and banks, along with NBF, mutual funds, insurance companies, government regulators. Regulators of financial markets in India are RBI, which deals with money and forex markets, SEBI, deals with capital and securities market. AI deals with insurance sector. RDA, pension funds. Role of financial market in economic development. It encourages investment, enhances capital formation, it promotes entrepreneurs, it supports industrial growth, it improves monetary policy transmission, it encourages financial inclusion. But there are some problems and challenges of financial market. First is market volatility. Second is information asymmetry. Third is speculation and bubbles. Fourth is insider trading. Cyber risks is fifth one. And sixth is low retail participation in some segments. So recent and trends in financial market is digital trading platforms, rise of retail investors, algo and high frequency trading. So we will discuss algo trading also, ESG investing, fintech integration. Now that's all for today.